took a long time to make. Okay. Let's just. Oh my god, why am I in F1 mode? Plant seeds, plant seeds. Okay, I got some wood. Let's get more wood. Okay, I got some wood. So I have to make it like this. So I put 4 planks. Oh god, 4 planks. And then I get the crafting table. And then put 2 of those. And then make some sticks. Sticks. Okay. Now we're gonna start making a house, but we have to get some wood. I have to kill some sheep. Yeah. I really do not want to die, or else the series is gonna be like, what? There's already okay. Let's place it. Let's post it. Put it into here. Make a axe. Axes are better than swords. There. Okay. Let's just. No, I'm gonna use my axe. Look at that. She like crazy. Yeah, build a house. Build a house. Build a house. Build us a little freaking house. Come on. Okay, why is not working as well as I thought it would? Yeah. That's not good. I have to get more wood. I have to chop more wood, and I'll be back to my house. Okay. So I have to put there. Yeah, that's enough wood to make my house. Place. My house is garbage. Who the heck would want to see this? House. in house. Yeah, I have to make it one little shrimp smaller. Hoi, 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 hoi. Oh. Okay. Okay, I have to place a lot. I've heard there's a design of this house people make, but I've heard there's like a way to make this house. Make this house, yeah.
That is science fair. We are having people over.
Wait, they updated the pool. I didn't know that. Okay.
What about like something to do with pool chemicals?
Okay. Oh.
You've been drinking lemonade all day.
Oh, wait. Let's just get some of this. Torch, 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 torch. Well, I will put some dirt. Also, there's like a little thing right here where you're supposed to put a piece of dirt here so you can jump on top of the house. That's like it's basically a ladder. That's what the whole entire design of the house is made. I've heard it from YouTube. You can check it out. I need a door. Yeah, I'll be back with a door. A stupid little door. Stupid. Okay, I have to kill some sheep now. Or else I'm gonna die if I don't kill these sheep. Sheep? Whatever. I'm coming to kill you sheepies. And jeepers and meepers and jeepers and creepers and meepers and creepers. That's as much as it is. Kill him fast, kill him fast. This last sheep. Come on, come on. Wait, that's not sheep. That's the sheep. Kill the sheep. I need its wool to get a house. I mean to make... Ooh, that fire looks cool. I gotta go quick. The zombie sounds scare me like a lot. Okay, sleep, sleep, sleep. Put it there. What am I doing? Okay, sleep.
What's all this stuff? Ooh.
Yes. I can make a blue bed. Yay, I can make a blue bed now. Yay. I'm living in a new place. Bye. Actually, let me just finish placing. Okay, there.